Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before I continue, like us, like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at this question and it says given x to the power of log x base 3 equals to 81. What is the value of x? So in this case, we are going to find the value of x. So we have the solution. So here we are given x to the power of log x to base 3 equals to 81. So from this equation, what we are going to do is to apply a common log to both sides. Common log is log of base 10. So we say apply common log to both sides. So this will become log x to the power of log x base 3 equals to log 81. As we said, common log is log to base 10. So these are log to base 10. So this will become from a law of a logarithm. We recall that the note when we have log p raised to the power of a is the same thing as a log p. So we are going to express this in this format. So this will become log x to the power of 3 times log x equals to log 81. So now here we have log x to base 3. So we apply change of base to this logarithm. So this will become, or we recall that when we had log a to base b is the same thing as log a all over base b. So applying this in this format, we have it as log x all over log 3 times log x equals to log 81. 81 is the same thing as 3 to the power of 4. So this will become 3 to the power of 4. So here we have this. We can see that we have log x times log x here. So we can multiply it out. We have log x all to the power of 2 all over log 3 equals to log 3 all to the power of 4 or log 3 to the power of 4. So this is what we have. Now, so we can move over to this other side. So as we said, we have log x to the power of 2 all over log 3 equals to log 3 to the power of 4. So here we can multiply both sides by log 3. So this will become log x all to the power of 2 all over log 3 times log 3 equals to log 3 to the power of 4 times log 3. In this case, log 3 will cancel here 1 and log 3 will cancel here 1. So we are now left with log x all to the power of 2 equals to, here is the same thing as 4 log 3 times log 3. So in this case, log 3 times log 3 is the same thing as log 3 all to the power of 2. So now we have this. For us to clear this parenthesis, we need to introduce square root to both sides. So here will become square root of log x all to the power of 2 equals to square root of 4 log 3 all to the power of 2. So this one will cancel here and this one will cancel here. We are now left with log x equals to, here is the same thing as square root of 4 times square root of log 3 all to the power of 2. So in this case, this will cancel here and this will cancel here. Now we know that square root of 4 is 2. So this will become log x equals to plus or minus 2 log 3. So this is what we have because this one cancel here and we have plus or minus 2 log 3. So from here we have plus or minus. So we have two solutions from here. This is same thing as log x equals to 2 log 3, or we have log x equals to minus 2 log 3. So these are the two value of, or the two solutions that we have from this solution. So we need to move over to this other side. So we need to clean this. From here, we need to take the first one, which is log x equals to 2 log 3. So this is the same thing as log x equals to log 3 all to the power of 2. Log 3 to the power of 2. So that is what we have. And here we have it as log x equals to log 9, because 3 to the power of 2 is log 9. So here we recall that when we have, say note, when we have a to the power of log b to base a is same thing as b, because a will cancel here. So now this will become 10 to log x equals to 10 to the power of log 9. So here, therefore, our x will be equals to 9, because this will cancel here and this will cancel here. We have x equals to 9. So this is the first value of x from this first one. Then from the second one that we had, log x equals to minus 2 log 3. So this is the same thing as log x equals to log 3 to the power of minus 2. So here is the same thing as log x equals to log 1 all over 9. So that is what we can become, because log 3 or 3 to the power of minus 2 is the same thing as 1 all over 9. So the same thing that we did here, we have, when you have 10 log x equals to 10 to the power of log 1 all over 9. So this will cancel here and this will cancel here. Therefore, x equals to 1 all over 9. So this is the value, second value of x that we have from this second illustration. This is the x1 and this is the x2. The x1 is 9 and the x2 is 1 all over 9. So from here, this is the first method. We are going to check the second method for us to see and confirm whether this solution really satisfies this question. So the second method we are going to use is, so we say method 2, this is method 2. So we are given, see the same question that we have x to the power of log x to base 3 equals to 81. So from this method 2, we are going to apply log of base x to both sides. So we say apply log of base x to both sides. So this will become log base x to the power of log x base 3 equals to log of base x 81. So in this case, this power will move to this other side. So we have log x to base 3 times log x to base x equals to log x. This 81 is same thing as 3 to the power of 4. So this is same thing as, we recall that when we have log x to base x is same thing as 1. So this will become log x to base 3 times 1 equals to, this one will be transposed into this other side, or this one will move to the product side. So we have 4 log 3 base x. So here, this times 1 is, so log x base 3 times 1 is same thing as log x base 3 equals to 4 log 3 base x. So in this case, we can apply change of base to this expression. We recall that when we have, say note, when we have log a to base b is same thing as 1 all over log b to base a. So this is what we have. We are going to express this in this format. So this will become, so here we have, so applying this change of base rule. So this will become 1 all over log 3 to base x equals to 4 log 3 to base x. So in this case, we can multiply both sides by log 3 to base x. So here we say multiply both sides by log 3 base x. So this will become log 3 base x times 1 all over log 3 base x equals to 4 log 3 base x times log 3 base x. Here, this one will cancel here and this one will cancel here. We are now left with 1 equals to 4. This one is square. We have log 3 to base x all to the power of 2. So this is what we have. Now we can divide both sides by 4. So there will be divide by 4 and here divide by 4. 4 will cancel here 1 and 4 will cancel here 1. We are now left with 1 all over 4 equals to log 3 base x all to the power of 2. For us to clear this square, we have to introduce square root to both sides. Before we do that, we can move this side to this side and move this side to this side. So rearranging, this will become square root of log 3 to base x all to the power of 2 equals to square root of 1 all over 4. So this is what we have. Now, 2 will cancel here 1 and 2 will cancel here 1. We all know that square root of 4 is 2. So we move over to this other side. So we claim this. So still on method 2. So as we cancel here, this will become log 3 base x equals to plus or minus, here will become 1 all over 2. This is what we have. And now we have two solutions from here because we have plus or minus 2. So the first one is log 3 to base x equals to 1 all over 2, or we have log 3 to base x equals to minus 1 all over 2. Let's take from this first one first. So from here, we take the first one. Let's divide into 2. So the first one is log 3 to base x equals to 1 all over 2. So here we recall that when we had a log b to base a is same thing as b. Expressing this in this format, we have x to the power of log 3 to base x equals to x to the power of 1 all over 2. So from here, x will cancel here, and we have it 3 equals to x to the power of 1 all over 2. So in this case, we'll find the value of x. We need to square both sides. So this will become 3 to the power of 2 equals to x to the power of 1 all over 2 all to the power of 2. 2 will cancel here 1 and 2 will cancel here. And now this is therefore x equals to 3 to the power of 2 is 9, because this one will remain x equals to 9 from this evaluation. So the second one that we had, x log 3 to base x equals to minus 1 all over 2. Applying the same rule here, we have here as x to the power of log 3 base x equals to x to the power of minus 1 all over 2. So here, x will cancel here. We have 3 equals to x to the power of minus 1 all over 2. So the same method, we have apply square to both sides. So this will become 3 all to the power of 2 equals to x to the power of minus 1 all over 2 all to the power of 2. In this case, 2 will cancel here 1 and 2 will cancel here 1. And 3 to the power of 2 equals to 9. This is the same thing as x raised to the power of minus 1. So to find the value of x from here, therefore x will be equals to 1 all over 9. So this is the solution, x1 and x2. x1, x equals to 9, while x2 equals to 1 all over 9. The same method that we had on method 1 still give us the same solution that we have on method 2. So x equals to 9 and x equals to 1 all over 9 satisfy this expression. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.